Good day, YouTube. It is the 6th of July, 2023. And the video you're about to see is something we shot maybe a couple weeks ago, week and a half ago, something like that. We are sponsoring a race car. We are sponsoring number 47. It's an IMCA modified, driven by Carter Patterson. His grandfather's been in the racing world since I was a kid. He and my dad kind of hung around the same places, and our paths crossed many times. And 16-year-old Carter Patterson is an absolute up-and-coming rock star. I love to watch him race. It's really a lot of fun to get involved a little bit with his race program. He's got a lot of people to help him out and keeping him on the track. He ain't afraid to mix it up with the best of the best. I'm telling you, he can run with them. So what we're doing is trying to keep the body panels in some sort of presentable form, because, like, again, he'll just jump right in there, and that car gets pretty beat up every night. So the videos you're about to see, I'm going to use the same intro for two of them. Is cleaning up after it was an 8-race series that he ran 7 of the events, finished 14th in points. This covered almost all the dirt tracks in the state of Oregon and one of them in Washington. The one in Washington he didn't go to. He had some damage to fix and he needed a day off. Life on the road kind of deal. So you can see my shop is a mess because we just finished round 2 of fixing some body panels, so we'll be kind of cleaning that up, and that video will be coming soon. So bear with me a little bit. Doing the first body panel repair video. I'm learning how to repair the panels. I didn't have all of like the touch-up paint stuff that I needed to have. I have that now, and I wasn't sure how to video it, and it got kind of long, so I broke it up into 2 videos. So you're either going to watch the first one or the second one. I'll title them so you know which one you're watching. So all right, here we go. Fixing aluminum body panels on Carter Patterson's number 47 IMCA modified. And here we go. All right, guys, we got a couple of Carter's door panels in the barn, and we're going to do what we can to make them better, straighter, more presentable. Yeah, there we go. So I've actually been working on this one for a minute or two, looking for a chemical that will take the tire burns off the decals. I started off trying acetone. It's a little bit harsh. I should have started with something a little less harsh. So I've just got some Prep Sol. It's just like paint thinner, and it's actually doing a pretty good job. So I worked on it here. This was actually quite a mess. So let me put you in a stand and we'll go to work on this decal. I was going to go to the store and see if I can find paint match that's close to this. We still might, because we'll probably have some other touch-ups to do, but enough to get the color to match. I took a close-up picture of this. We'll go match some paint here in a little bit, but let's see how clean we can get this. Okay, got a glove on and everything. Just some Prep Sol. This isn't that harsh, so if I get a drop or 2 down there, it's not going to hurt it any, I don't think. I won't leave it on there forever, though. Let's see what we're working with here. Alright. We're not there yet, but we've made progress. Okay. Okay. It's pretty harsh right in there. Let's step it up to acetone again. Just a little. That'll do ya. Yeah. Yeah. Boy, just a little too. Probably going to be a combination, and we'll do some prep salt next. Not going to be perfect. This thing got hit by a tire at 100 miles an hour. But it'll look good from the grandstands. All right, let me work on this to bring you in for a little closer view, and I'll bring you back when I have it worked out. We'll get this down here kind of done too. All right, we got the 7 done. The 4, on the other hand, that's going to take a little work. So it's definitely a combination. We got green Scotch-Brite pad, by the way. I always cut them up in little pieces so you can, it takes a long time to use up a whole pad kind of thing. So we'll go back to acetone for this really tough stuff. Okay. And then kind of wipe it right off so it doesn't eat up the decal. Stuff's pretty aggressive. Probably try like some automotive polish once we get this all done. See if we can't bring a little more back. So I'm just using a magnetic dish to hold a little bit of acetone, but as you know, it evaporates very quickly, so we're only using a little at a time. Put some more in my dish. More in my dish. We haven't even beat this out yet. I was really going after seeing what it's going to take to clean the tire burns off. And we still got straightening to do. Right, I've been all the way across this panel now. We got all the tire burns and stuff off of it. Came out decent. I mean, it didn't burn the decals up. They're pretty tough. Cleaned up all the weight. I have a selection of hammers out. It's time to get the owies out of this thing. So let me put you in the stand. This one's not too bad a shape, and we'll start pounding on it. Put a 2x6 under the work, so we got something to beat against. Find another glove. And yeah. Got a little wow out here, so pretty good. Pretty good. Alright. Let me beat on this for a while. Alright, we got this thing beat out. Probably the best we're going to do. It kind of tin cans a little bit. You know how it's a little stretched here and stretched there. So now we're going to attempt some touch-ups. And I have these paint pens. That's what we're going to use. Okay. Colors aren't going to match perfectly, obviously, but what we're shooting for is what you see from the grandstands at 100 miles an hour, and it's going to look good. Used to do this all the time. Of course, I had the right colors at that time. So this is just basic red on the 4 we're going to use. Okay, let's put down some tape lines so that we do this neatly. Alright, these things aren't that old, so whoops. Then I kicked you out of my way. See if we can get some paint to flow. sound is an automatic alarm reminding me to shut my compressor off. I might have got this tape in my way. Okay. Wow. And that one, I didn't do a very good job of taping at all. Red, 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 red. Cover up everything that's not red. Just do them all. I mean, we're not trying to make this perfect, but believe it or not, the more you do, the better it will look. And believe me, from the grandstands, this will look nice. Stand back, take a look before you think you're done. Looks decent. All right, I'm gonna do the 7 before I give up on this pen. Now it's time for the black. Brand new pen. Make it make paint. There we go. Well, I was going to put another tape right there, wouldn't I? I'm not ready. This could pull the other red off, but we'll do this here like that. It's not going to be perfect. All right. Pretty beat up. I'm going to try to just freehand this one. Yeah, that worked good. That freehand works okay. We're going to maybe do more of that. We're going to do more of that. All right, let me fiddle with the black now. Started the yellow without you. I did. This yellow was mostly missing over here. Not a perfect match. Try to spot the difference at 100 miles an hour. Can you see down there? Can you see? That really came out. Let's start over. Alright, we're just touching up yellow now. Then we'll do white. Alright, we're doing white now. We may have to come back and do the second time after it dries. Alright, I'm gonna fiddle. Alright, I brought this out mostly in the sun anyway. And I say she looks pretty good. We got most of the dings out of it, the big dents anyway. Touched up everything kind of recreated a lot of this decal just with the paint pen, but you know, from a distance. She's gonna look fine. So I'm gonna go deliver this one back to them. They're working on her car, and come back and do the hard one. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Jump out on Facebook and follow Carter Patterson Racing on Facebook. He has a lot of followers. One of the folks and his crew actually videos the races, which is super cool because over this 4th of July weekend has just happened for us here at this time, and I was able to, no matter where I was, watch him race. So it was pretty cool. And he's going to Southern Oregon Speedway tomorrow night and Saturday night. Today's Thursday. And no matter where I'm at, I'll be able to watch his race live. So they live stream it on Facebook, and then of course it's there to watch or rewatch. That's pretty cool. Kind of excited about that. So watch out for Carter Patterson Racing, or see him live if you're in Oregon. Kid's a lot of fun to watch. It's fun to be involved. Thanks for watching the video. Thumbs up on the way out, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.